Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. Today's review, we're going to talk about a fragrance from the house of Bath & Body Works. I did a first impression a couple weeks ago, and the fragrance is Freshwater. And I'm here with my girlfriend Kelly.
Hello.
And I'm gonna see what her opinion is on Freshwater. See if she likes it or she doesn't. So if you want to hear about this and more, it's coming right up. This is Freshwater, and it's from the house of Bath & Body Works, and we'll see if my girlfriend Kelly likes it or not. So here we go. This is the bottle presentation. I showed the bottle in the first impression, but it's how it looks. It's a 100 ml bottle. The cap snaps on. Nice distribution too. You spray it. Really nice distribution. They have other fragrances from the line, and the fragrances are Freshwater, as you see right here, number 1. Number 2 is Tiki Wood. Number 3 is Noir. Number 4 is Ocean. And number 5 is Bourbon. All these bottles range between $34.50 and $35.50. The notes in the 2018 Freshwater is, on the website it says fresh with a splash of Italian. Then it says bergamot, mountain, spring water, and oak moss. On my skin when I spray this, it's fresh and clean. After the first hour and a half mark, I feel like it has the dry down on my skin of Dolce & Gabbana, the Dolce & Gabbana Intense. That's just on my skin, so everybody will be different. I'm going to spray it on the paper and see if my girlfriend likes it. I'm going to spray it on my skin, so hold on real quick. Paper. Distribution is really nice too. It shoots out a lot, see? So, see if you like it. Is it fresh and clean, or what do you think of it?
Yeah, I would definitely describe it as fresh and clean.
Okay.
It's a really light fragrance. It's not super strong, not, offensive or any kind of, I wouldn't say it's like in your face or anything.
So it's just like a simple fragrance, maybe for somebody starting out in the fragrance game, trying to get something to wear that don't have a lot of money.
Yeah, I would say it's a really good beginner fragrance, maybe for like a teenager or just someone young who's not really sure, or someone who's maybe not that good at being judicial with fragrances and you don't really want to buy them something that's super expensive. They're still, you could spray and they're not going to choke anybody out with this. If they're still learning how to do that, I used to go to Bath & Body Works all the time as a teenager, so that's what it makes me think of. Maybe this would be really good as a teenager, just starting out using cologne. I think this would be really good, plus the price point, really good for teenagers. They could buy it themselves and not be broke.
Yeah, I'm gonna spray it on my arm right here and see if she smells the difference between the paper. Sometimes the paper smells different than on your skin, sometimes. So I advise people to go to the store and spray it on your skin and see if you like it on your skin, because sometimes the paper smells totally different.
Yeah,
so
it's not the same.
Yeah, it's kind of strong at first spray.
I'm just getting alcohol at first here.
Just the alcohol at
Dry
first.
a little bit.
So with this fragrance, I'm gonna let it dry for a second on my skin. This fragrance right here, Freshwater, I get about 1 hour projection on my skin, which is nice. It's not beast mode projection, but it's nice scent cloud. People will smell it around you. Longevity, I get about 4 to 5 hours on my skin, which isn't the best, but it's nice because you can reapply this for $34.50. You really can. This is a $100 fragrance. Maybe you might not want to do that. But with this, you can bring a travel atomizer if you want to fill it up, or bring this bottle. It's a real small bottle. It looks kind of big, but it's not really that big. And it's a 100 ml bottle. I think it's a great fragrance starter if you not know what you want in fragrances, or maybe you want to buy a gift for somebody to start out with fragrance, or you want somebody to smell good around you, but you don't know if they're gonna like the Dior Sauvage, the Bleu de Chanel's, the Spencer designer fragrances. This is just something simple to wear. Take a shower, you spray it on, you smell clean throughout the whole day. I'm gonna let her smell it on my arm.
Maybe not quite the whole day.
Maybe not quite the whole day. You're gonna get about a good 5 hours.
Bring it with them.
So Does it smell the same as it does on the paper? Or?
It smells different. It definitely develops nicely on the skin, I would say.
Does it smell nicer on the skin or nicer on the paper?
I usually prefer it on the skin.
Okay.
It does smell nicer on the skin. I like them both.
Okay.
They're just different. It developed nicely. It does smell different, like quite a bit different on you.
Okay.
Which is surprising to me. It's usually not so different, but it does smell quite different on you.
What would you give Freshwater as a rating from 1 to 3?
1.5.
Okay, she gives 1.5. I give this, for my rating, I give it 2 stars out of 3. I got compliments with this fragrance at work, which is nice. A guy at work gave me money to buy him one of these bottles, which is a plus. I do like the first hour projection. I can smell it when I'm walking back and forth when I'm at work, especially when I'm around a lot of equipment with the heat. I smell it really nicely, and it's nice. I haven't got one negative comment wearing this fragrance, so it's nice for something simple to wear. If you're not in the fragrance or you just want to buy somebody a fragrance so they smell good around you, maybe they don't smell that good or maybe they don't know what colognes are. It's all different kind of facts and stuff like that, but it's okay fragrance to try out if you don't know what fragrance. If you already have a lot of fragrance, then I wouldn't suggest getting this one.
Yeah, if you're a collector,
there's no reason.
A fragrance head, you don't need that.
No, you don't need this.
Bath and Body Works fragrances.
Yeah.
But this is still nice.
This is to help people out that don't have fragrance, that want to start out and see if they want to enjoy fragrances or not. So thanks for watching this video. Until my next fragrance video, bye.
Bye.